Good morning, students. I'm Neha. Students, today we are going to discuss our third chapter, The Midnight Visitor. It is written by Robert Arthur. It is from your book, Footprints Without Feet. So, let me tell you first of all how this title, The Midnight Visitor, is an appropriate title. Actually, what happened? The visitor in the story comes at midnight, adding to the element of surprise that makes this story with full of surprises in a very surprisingly manner. So now let me introduce this story in little detail. It is a little detective story about two secret agents. Who are two secret agents particularly? One is Ozable and another one is Max. So this story is a clever piece of writing which tells us about two secret agents I told you who try to outwit each other in the whole story. Outwit here is beat or compete. So Ozable is a secret agent who is expecting to get a very important report concerning some new missiles. And Max, another secret agent, plans to get hold of this report by making a surprise raid. However, Ozable has led a trap for this man. He eliminates Max by using his presence of mind. So now we are going to introduce our key points in detail. First is Ozable, a secret agent. How comes? Ozable did not look like a secret agent actually at all in the whole story. He was fat and spoke with a peculiar American accent. And one Fowler is there. Character Fowler was a young romantic writer who had read quite a lot about secret agents. He had now come to meet an actual secret agent, and it was clever that he was disappointed after seeing Ozable. So, next, our key point is Fowler's first impression of Ozable. Ozable guessed correctly that Fowler must be disappointed. Fowler had come with great expectations, imagining what that mysterious figures in the midnight, the crack of pistols, and drugs to wait for some thrilling actions. Thrilling is full of excitements, something shocking. And very soon, Fowler would see a report which would change in the course of history and for which many people had already risked their lives. So, in this way, Max appears on the scene. After telling Fowler about the report, Ozable closed the door and switched on the light. They saw in the room a man with a small automatic pistol in his hand. The man was Max. He recognizing him at once, Ozable exclaimed that he was not expected in France. He would have or he should have been in Berlin. So there was Max some mission. Mission is kind of some important assigned work. And Max was a foxy man. Foxy here is good looking, or we can say he was a cunning man also. Cunning, kind of clever, with a thin physique. Physique is outfit, body figure. He cleverly told Ozable the purpose with which he had come there. His mission, actually, what was the Max mission? His mission was to get hold of the report that was expected to reach Audible that night. It was a highly confidential report concerning some new missiles. And what happened at the end in his missions? He humorously here is with laughter. Humorously remarked what? That the report would be safer in his Max. His hair is Max hands. So next 4 points, students, we will discuss in our next video session. Thank you.